Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make an antidepressant tea. Actually, all of the things that are in these different plants, are for anxiety and depression, panic attacks. So first what we're going to start with is, actually we'll take some lavender. Here's some fresh lavender. And these are all fresh herbs. I'm going to pulverize it with my fingers. Some people like to cut it up, but I like to really squish it so that way the essential oils are coming out nicely. And I don't use just the flower, I use the stem. There's lots of medicinal value in the stem. It smells really good. So as we know, lavender helps relax you and ease anxiety. Makes you feel very relaxed and not so stressed. So what I use is just a small mason jar. It's all sterilized. And next we're going to put in, let's put in my peppermint. So like I say, I like to really rip it apart. So then when I put the water in, it's going to extract all of the essential oils. And again, I'm using the stem for peppermint. The stem has a lot of aroma in it and medicinal value, not just the leaf. And then I'm going to put a lot of spearmint in. Like I say, all of these are used for relaxation and the lungs. So this is a relaxation tea plus lung therapy tea. Now I just twist it and squish it. So I'm pulverizing it. I'll show you my fingers in a second, full of essential oils. Look at my fingers, that's all essential oils, guys. And the juice from the plant. And then we get a little bit of lamb's ear, which is great for depression and anxiety, calm you down. And I've got kitten around. That's a cat mint. Works on cats, works on people for anxiety and stress. Helps you sleep too. This is a great tea to have at night or just when you really want to relax. This is a great tea for that. And then I'm going to add some of this. I don't know if you guys have heard of the star anise. This is so cool. There it is right there. Looks like a star. And if you smell it, it smells exactly like black licorice. So this is really good for you too. This has a lot of health benefits. So I'm going to put 2 star anise in there. How pretty it is. And it smells just like black licorice. So what the star anise does is actually kill bacteria in your body. So this is a relax tea for depression and anxiety, just stress tea. Works on the lungs with the spearmint and the peppermint. And the anise works on bacteria. So I'm going to add some mullein honey that I made. And mullein is actually good for the lungs too, the respiratory system. So it's going to be a fantastic little tea. So can't wait to taste it. So now what I'm going to do is pour in some hot water. I already boiled the water. Get the honey off the spoon there. So I'm going to cap this really fast because the essential oils are actually coming out. Once you put the hot water on it, the essential oils all come out of the plants really fast. You see how everything's moving around in there? It looks like it's alive. So what I'll do is let this steep for probably 15-20 minutes. Where it's capped, it'll stay really hot for a long time. You see all that goodness in there, guys? With the anise and the spearmint and the peppermint. Oh, there was lemon balm in there too. There was a huge piece of lemon balm in there. I forgot to... I just grabbed it and threw it in. So we got lemon balm, anise, spearmint, peppermint, star anise is what it's called, kitten around, lavender, all kinds of goodies. See how it's turning color already? Oh yeah, and we got the honey, the mullein honey in there too for the lungs. So that's how you make a good decoction.